Well, my mother was a good cook, although I think the food was it was destined to interfere with longevity. The She cooked one of the things she loved to cook, when was really very good at it, was a tzimmus, and I've never seen an English translation of it that really fits. But I guess if you know what a tzimmus is, you know what it is. It's made of carrots, and it's a stew, usually with some beef in it, and knedlach, and it takes to do it properly. It takes several days of various cooking and blending and stewing and whatnot. That was one of her dishes. She was very good with cakes. She had a honey cake that she loved to make. It had a nice thick crust. I used to try. It was considered impolite to eat all the crust, which is one of the things I like to do. She made some other kinds of cake and cookies and chicken. And then veal chops that were heavily breaded, and then gefilte fish, of course, and stuffed derma, which in Yiddish is kishka. Kishka is stuffed with a filling that is full of fat and particularly delicious and unhealthy. And with she also did the onions, well, not the onions, the chicken fat. I forget the word for the chicken fat. Schmaltz.
Schmaltz, yeah.
Schmaltz, which is just solid chicken fat with some little stuff thrown into it. And then sometimes fried pieces of chicken mixed in with the schmaltz, and you can think of what that can do to you if you eat enough of it. And my father, in fact, died of a heart attack. He had his first heart attack in 1969, and then died of his second in 1970. And the fact that I never saw him exercising, and living on this kind of food is enough to finish anybody off.